online Manipur YouTube channel swing birba mayam pumnamak po amukan na taram nuksari ahan bada mayam de request amak da tawjage please Kanglup animakki ichin enao pumnamak wakhal fathaminnac riot na meeoiba jati masel gi marakta solution amata purakpa ngamloi except maikai animakta destruction thok panatana aduna mayam aikhoi shanti puraklasi iramdamse aduga kanglaipak asida hojik tawriba irang asiga mari leinaba thaudok ki photo amadi video status na chingba post tawbirakano haiduna lukchari yaifare aduga hanbagi update asina the frontier Manipur dagi lokhachage nearly 3000 individuals belonging to different district of Kangpokpi, Sanden, Tengnopur and the Surasanpur are taking shelter. Aduga mathangi update asina pangan student union dana manjuri university gi press release ni mayamna post tawraga article asi paning basing na pabiyo aduga mathangi sina khasi jantia Christian leaders forum KJCLF ki press meet ni aduga mathangi sina Northeast India Christian Council ki press statement ni aduga students union 2022 to 23 Tata Institute of Social Science Mumbai gi press note ni aduga mathangi sina Manipuri diaspora Bengaluru gi appeal and PR ni mayamna post tawraga pabiyo Naga Students Union Dehradun gi statements sing ni aduga mathangi sina Delhi Association of Manipur Muslim Students New Delhi Dams ki press note ni aduga Super Corps Indian Army dagi update amakhtang ai pathok jage total 13,000 civilians have been rescued so far and are staying in ad hoc arrangement within military premise. Indian Army remains committed to restore law and order, appeals for peace and urges all communities to shun the path of violence. Mathangisina, as a result of proactive, timely response, Surasanpur, KPI, More and the Kaksing are now under firm control with no major violence reported since yesterday night. Proactive rescue operations, conduct of flag march, area dominations, interaction with local influencers to reassure them of personal safety among major activities undertaken by over 100 columns which are operational deploy. Video sige roibedasu please Kanglup animakki ichin enao pumnamak wakhal fathaminnac riot na meeoiba jati masel gi marakta solution amata purakpa ngamloi except maikai animakta destruction tokan banatana aduna mayam aikhoi shanti puraklasi iramdamse video sing bibagidamakta mayam pumnampu amuka hana thagachari anoba update kidamakta nuksi video na channel na subscribe to biramu. Thank you so much.